Hello, welcome to ICT Bridge. Today I'm going to show you how to backup and restore the registry on Windows. It is a especially good idea to backup Windows registry before you make any change to your system, because in case something goes wrong, then you can simply restore the registry back up to the way it was. Okay, remember that. This is a note I want to leave with you. So today I'm going to show you how to backup and restore the registry on Windows. You can either backup registry manually or create a system restore point. So let's first see how to backup a registry manually and then using system restore point. First things what you have to do, method number one is just go here and type run. Go to the search button and type run, or you can press window and plus R, window plus R. Also same thing is coming. Okay, you can see this box here, and you have to type here regedit. Okay, regedit. Also you can see it on the screen. So once you type this once, this kinds of box will appear, popped up, and make sure you select the computer. Okay, here when you click it, see the computer here. Here is, and not any subkey, as we want to back up the whole registry in the Registry Editor. Okay, click. Next things what you have to do is click on file. Here is file, left hand side in the corner, file, and you can go and click on export. Okay, then you can select the desired locations where you want to save the backup note. Remember this, make sure export range is selected to all in the left bottom. Okay, let me show you again. It is all we have to select. Computer is fine. Then you can go here and here. So what we can do is we can create the folders here, and we just call a registry. Okay, registry. Let me do this way. So you can put the date here, date 3/2020, so you can know when it was backup. Registry backup. All right. I'll put this number here now. 83. Or is it? All right. 83/2020 registry backup. Here you go. So now we have saved our backup file. If you want to go and check again, just you can go here, go to the export, and you can see here this file is already saved here. Okay. Now again click on file and go to the imports here. If you need to restore the above made backup of registry, then again open the Registry Editor as shown above. Okay, again click on file and go to the import here and click Select the locations where you save the backup copies and hit opens. Okay, and go here and you can click opens. So this is how you can back up and restore registry manually. So this one is going to restore manually. Now you have successfully restored the registry to backup to its original state. So method number 2, I'm going to show you how to backup and restore registry using restore point. We just saw how we can do manually. Now I'm going to show you how we can use the restore point to backup and restore our registry using point. Okay. So go to the search box here, type restore point. Okay, restore point. So when you type this once, you can see create a restore point here. So this kind of the window is pop up. Okay. Now select local disk C, select the driver where window is installed and click configure. So this is the ones where we have clicked. Select the local disk C, select the drives where window is installed, okay, and then click configure. So my window is installed on local disk C. You can see systems here. Now I have to click on configure. So make sure system protections is turned on for this device, for this drive, and set the max usage to 10%. This is only 4%. I'm going to make 10%. Okay. And then click apply, following by click OK. Okay. So this is how we can do it. Next, again, select this drive and click on create. Okay. Click here and click on create here. So now you can give the name here, backup registry. You can put that here if you want to. Okay, what's that? 3/2020 underscore backup registry. Okay. Wait for the system to create a restore point and click close once it is finished. Okay. And to restore your registry again, to create a restore point. Here you can see the restore point was created successfully. So this is, you can see here. Now you can close this and you can close this one too. To restore your registry again, go to create a restore point. Restore point. Here is the create a restore point. Go here, and this here. Click on the local disk. See where the system is installed. Now click on the system restore right here. Yeah. System restore. Okay, this is the things you can see. Okay, you click next, and you just create this one here and click next. And then follow on screen instructions to finish the restore point. Now, so your computer will be restored to the state it was before, than even in the description below. So this is how you can do it. Just click finish here. Okay. Once started, system restore cannot be interrupted. Do you want to continue? And you just can click OK. So if you want to make sure, again go back. So you just want to make sure this is the ones you want to restore. Okay. And then you can say yes. And so this is the window you can see here. Once the above process is finished, you would have successfully restored Windows Registry. So this is what you can see. System restore completed successfully. The system has been restored. This is the date and time, and your document have not been affected. So this is very important things that you have to remember. So your document remain as it is. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope this helped you. Thank you. And if you want this kinds of video again, please do not forget to like this video and share this video and subscribe my channel ICT Bridge. Thank you so much. You have a good day.